Good morning. Welcome to the Surferjo show with Chef Frankie. Today we're going to be cleaning the barbecue. Chef Frankie has picked up some nice barbecue cleaner from the store. We are not being paid for this. This is simply a product review and how to. If I can get this in there. It says spray on. Let it soak for about a minute. Wipe off paper towel. We will not be using a paper towel. When you come out to your barbecue, you see that it's all covered up. Always check to make sure that there is nothing hiding underneath that you do not want to tangle with, because you never know what will be hiding under there. Here we have our grill that is over 10 years old. That has been featured in many of our videos. And as you can see, whoa, Chef Frankie, it needs a good cleaning. Well, that is why we are here today. We are going to clean it up and see how well it does. As you can see, they are very dirty. So, we are going to take our spray and we are going to give them a good soaking. It has an orange smell. Let me get this on there real good. It's not supposed to be harmful to humans, plants, animals. So we're going to go do both sides. Woo! Get in there. Give it a good soak. Good soak. Gonna give it a good soak. Gonna put a little heavy on since it is heavily coated. And now we're just gonna let that sit. We will let it sit for a few minutes and then we are going to clean it up. I don't know if you can see me well. This GoPro 7, or if it is working well. Grill grades are almost ready to be cleaned. We're hoping that it will work. If it does not work, we're learning together. There's other options of how to do it. Appreciate you turning to the show. We'd like you if you would subscribe, share, and like the videos, plus the other 200 videos we have on the channel. So, okay, let's see how it goes. Here we are. Hoping the audio works, but if you think I was going to use a paper towel, nope. We are going to give this a try. We are going to get close as we can. It's coming off somewhat. Yeah. In fact, we might have to hit it again. So we will turn it over. Oh, okay, come on, get clean. Wow. You can see, get your hands dirty. If you don't like using your bare hands, wear rubber gloves. As you can see, it makes the deck dirty. We're going to clean that up after we are done. But since it still needs some more, we are going to give it another good soaking. There are many products out there to use. We are simply trying this one to review. So they do not say wet it down, but we are not going to wait for it to dry, and we are not going to go get paper towels to dry it down, but we will soak it down again. Get it nice and clean. And we will be back. While we were waiting this to soak up some more, I want to thank Chef Frankie for getting us all this nice equipment for our channel, for our goods, and so we can make videos for all of us in YouTube land. So a couple more minutes and we will go ahead and clean the grates again. So we have let it set for about 5 minutes, and we are going to hit it again with the water. Oh, let's change that out. There we go. Well, I guess for 10 years worth, you're not going to get all of it off. It's baked on there, but we're going to try. And there's other products and other methods to use. Flip this right around. Clean up the deck a little bit. Oh, there we go. So, well, let's take a look. And like I say, they could be a little cleaner. 10 years worth, you get it on there. But there's other methods to use to clean. But all in all, it did a pretty good job. We even used some on the grill. The grill is looking pretty good now. For over 10 years old. A lot of uses. It was not that expensive of a bottle to clean. It's probably one of the leading ones that they are selling. Say probably because there's a lot of them out there. And also, it beats the old hand method of having to scrub it with soap and water. So did you think we were done yet? Not hardly. Never give up. Another solution. Cleaning the barbecue sometimes isn't fun, sometimes it's fun. But this time it's going to be real fun. let me introduce you something. Let me introduce you to something. This is called the Snow Joe cordless power washer. Yes, Chef Frankie. As you can see, has a siphon hose, goes into a bucket of soap, and there we go. We are soaping it down. Soap, soap, soaping it down. That's right. It is getting soaked. You can see the soap down there. That's right, we're soaping it down. Soap it, soap it, soap it. And we're gonna do the other side. That's right. Chef Frankie had this put away, and Chef Frankie is in the kitchen right now coming up with some new recipes, and I decided I would go ahead and get this. So we are just gonna soap it down real good. You hear it, it doesn't make a lot of noise. It's like that. We're gonna let it set, and then we will get pressure washing on it and getting it all clean. All right, we gave it a few minutes. Now, mishap after mishap. Yes, the hose connector kept popping off. Not a big deal. The Sun Joe cordless pressure washer siphons out of a bucket. So we are continuing. We don't give up. All right, everybody ready? Gotta let it prime up. There we go. It is priming up. It is pressure washing. It's in there close. In there close. You know what? This has different settings. We are going to put it on power jet. Power jet. Power jet. All right, here we go. Power jet it is. Well, they have been scrubbed, well, pressure washed, and they have been chemicaled, as you saw earlier in this video. Like I said, that is over 10 years or more old. It's going to be what it was going to be. We will continue with another project with it. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. For Chef Frankie, this is the Surferjo Show. Thank you very much, and goodbye. Enjoy.